Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Max and welcome. Kindly like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications to stay very much active to this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how I usually do my lip tutorial for a nude look. As you can see, the eyes are actually very much popping, and I will be doing a very subtle lip. Do you understand? To tone down the eyes a bit, because remember, the aim is to achieve a flawless nude look but still a dramatic eyes. Yes, it's actually when you call nude look, you're expecting nude eyes, nude lips, but for me, I like to do a little bit of colors. I like to play with colors, and I like to do nude lips and colorful eyes, or the new eyes and colorful lips. Just something to speak. Like, do you understand? Like, it speak volume. So I'll be going in with my Eye Magic Clay palette. I have had this palette for a very long time, and I think that this should be one of the best seller in almost every makeup artist box. If you don't have this particular lip palette, I don't know what you have. I don't know what you have, to be honest, because it is a bomb, especially when you know how to use it very much. And after that, I will be outlining the lips. As you can see in the video, I was outlining the lips, trying to blend in, because blending is very crucial and essential in makeup. If you don't know how to blend, your work will look so dirty, and it will look very tacky to the eyes. And trust me, you don't want your work looking dirty to the eyes. And I will gradually put in the other color, that is the other new shade, and we'll have to blend properly. I always tell my clients to smackle, because sometimes, especially when it's a nude lip and the lip stain, or even if it's not a nude lip stain, like if the lip stain is matte, please tell your clients to smack on time. If you know you cannot blend immediately, tell them to smack on time. It will help you, give you that base to start blending, especially if you struggle with blending. I love to use a smaller brush. I don't like this fluffy brush for blending. So people like fluffy brushes, but I'm not a lover of fluffy brush. I love to use a smaller brush, whereby I can be able to control the excess that moves to the other aspect and still blend properly. Do what works for you. So guys, I want you guys to actually stay very much active to this channel, because we have a whole lot of content coming up, and we'll want to keep you guys involved in it. Lastly, I want to thank each and every one of you for your love, for turning on post notification, for your likes, your comments, your views, and your subscription. I do not take them for granted. Love you all. Mwah.